myclass.com.
Dear students, our new topic, arrays, a linear data structure. Arrays are defined as the collection of similar type of data items stored at contiguous memory locations. Arrays are the collection of similar type of data items. All the items are in one data type. Like if it is an integer array, all the items in that integer array should be integer. And it is in the contiguous memory location. Such data structure we can call it as arrays. So we can also say that arrays are the derived data type in any language or in a C programming language which can store the primitive type of data such as int, char, double, float, etc. Each element of an array should hold a primitive type of data like an integer value or character value, double value or float value. Such values, the collection of such similar type of data, we can call it as arrays, and it should be at contiguous memory location also. The type of arrays are one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. In one-dimensional array, we have a 1D array, that means one-dimensional array. The values are in only one direction like a row. Like a row, all the values are arranged like a row in one-dimensional array. In multi-dimensional array, there are 2D array, two-dimensional array and 3D array. 2D array means this is like a matrix format. There should be rows and columns. We can arrange values in a row-column manner. The rows are there and the columns are there. Such arrangement of such collection of data in a data structure, we can call it as a two-dimensional array or 2D array. Now we are moving to more about 1D array. 1D array, I have already said that it is just like a row in a memory in a contiguous manner. Let's assume that this is an array name A with 10 elements, A of 10. In C language we can declare like A of 10, is it? So we can access 10 values to that array. So the indices of an array or index is starting from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This element is A of 0. So A of 0 is the first element of this array. And A of 9 is, that means 10th element. A of 9 is the last element, that means 10th element of this array. Each this type of elements like A of K, we can call it as subscripted variable. And the K is the name of the K is here is subscript. K value is subscript of an array. Subscript of that variable. Subscript value of that variable. So the subscript value of the variable first element, the subscript value of the first element is 0. The subscript value of the K value of the last element, 10th element is 9. Clear? Let's assume that this is an integer. It is an integer array. Let's assume that this is the value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. This is in the contiguous memory location. In the memory, after 10, the next memory location should hold the value of 11. One more concept, the base address of an array. Base address. Base address means the starting address of the first element of that particular array. Let's assume that this is the memory location 1000. So here the base address of this array is 1000. This 1000 value will store in a memory location name A. In a memory, there is a one memory location. There is a memory location name A to hold the address value, and in that memory location 1000 value will be stored. From this value we will get the base address of the array A, and from 1000 onwards in the continuous locations, the next element should be the. This is the basic things around 1D array. The basic operations supported by an array are traverse, insertion, deletion, search and update. Traverse means we can visit all the values here, or we can process each values, or we can print each value. Like that we want to traverse to find all this value. That means that is the traverse. Insertion means we can insert other element, insert a new element in any location. If you want to insert here 20, the all other values should be shifted to the right position. Deletion means we can delete one particular value. If we are deleting the value 13, the other all elements should be shifted left. Search means we can search a particular value in an array, and update, we can also update. We can update this 15 and we can store a new value here. That is, we are called update. In each operation, there is an algorithm that we will discuss in the next videos. Thank you.